Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to write a thread on X, formerly known as Twitter, you've come to the right place. So to do it is quite easily. All you need to do is just simply create a new post, and here you need to enter your text. And as you can see, my text is too big for it, so I need to remove part of this text. And now, as you can see, I can click on another plus icon, and now my one of my posts is already ready. Now I enter the rest of the text, and as you can see, it's still a lot. So I just choose to cut this text and create a new one. Once you've done that, you can add another one. And that's all, your thread is ready. Once you've done that, click on create post, and that's all. As you can see, my thread post is ready. So here how simple it is. So thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.